So there is a lot of these like antique, engine shows, tractors, and pretty much anything old and vintage equipment shows that happen in my area. And I've noticed that nobody does the old chainsaws. So I think I'm going to set up a display. And these events all have camping available, so we got a camper now. So I'm thinking I'm going to start doing some shows with the saws. I have a feeling it's going to really bring up some conversations. And a lot of these shows have sawmills and so forth. So I have a feeling it's really going to be a good conversation piece, if you know what I mean. I'm really looking forward to it. But I kind of wanted to acquire a few more things before, I start showing. So I wanted a 100cc class saw. I wanted some bow bars, which I'm working on that right now. And I'd like to have one 2-man saw. Just one. I don't need a whole bunch of them. But I'm still looking for a 2-man saw. I'd really like to be able to show a 2-man saw. I just want one, I don't need a whole army of them. I'm just looking for one. And I want it to be nice and long. I want it to have that helper handle, You can see my breath today. It's chilly out. But, I think once I find that 2-man, that'll be it. I won't need any more to show, or in a 100cc saw. I like something in every class, plus, the 2-man. But that's kind of where I'm at. That's what I'm doing. One of the things I'm doing behind the scenes. So I got the bows. I think I got the bows located, so I can start showing some bow bar saws. Hoping to get the 100cc saw, and then I just got to locate a 2-man. Now there's been a lot of 2-mans come available, but I passed on them. They weren't exactly what I was looking for. I'm only looking to get one 2-man saw, so I'm going to be kind of particular about the one I get, if you know what I mean. I'm not being particular about the brand at all. It's just I want it complete. I want it to run, and all that stuff. It doesn't need to be a runner for me to get the saw. It just needs to be complete enough that I can get it running. I think the boys would really enjoy, traveling, camping, and doing these different shows, as well as other camping. But it gives us an opportunity to do a little traveling, if you know what I mean, as a family. The event could be in another state. I could just link up with one of the local state parks and, do camping at the state park, and then go to the event and do that, and, kind of make a long weekend of it. I think it'd be a lot of fun. So, just to give you a little inside scoop of what's going on behind the scenes. 82 cc's of Homelight Super XL 925. Doing a little tuning. Got to do a little more work. The high speed is just running too rich. I can't get it to come down because of the governor. So a little more tweaking and we'll be good to go. 82 cc's Homelight Super XL 925. How you doing? I just wanted to check in real quick. We're actually getting to go out to eat today. That just doesn't happen, 5 kids, 2 adults. Going out to eat just usually isn't the option. We actually have to take 2 vehicles when we do this. This is probably the first time in like 6 months that we've got to do this, but we're gonna do it. I got a guest with me. This is Kada. You say hi, Kada? Say hi. Kata is my stepdaughter. 13 years old. Say hi. She, she's extra special, isn't she? We're lucky to have her. But, little family adventure, going out to eat. Have fun, guys. So, I got some news. I've been on a search for a hard to find saw, and I might have found one. It's a little bit of a drive, but the condition is quite nice. So, it's a 1050, a Super 1050. If you guys are familiar, that's up in the 100cc class. But wish me luck. I'm hoping to get this thing. We'll soon find out. Yeah, if you see the smoke behind me, that's the house is on fire. I'm doing some smoking. Who's in front of us, Kata? Who's up there? Who's in front of us? Huh? Who's in front of us? Huh? A mommy. Yeah. You got. Yeah, right there.
Right there.
Yeah, right there.
Right there.
Right there she is. We're all done with our dinner, guys. All stuffed and full. Huh? Got a full belly of food? Yeah. I do. What'd you have? You had pasta? Didn't you? You got pasta. I had something else. I had chicken. I had rangoons. I had green beans. I had fish. I had sushi. Boy, what else? Yeah. Oh, I had frog legs. We had a good time, didn't we? Huh? Yeah. See? You see yourself? Alrighty. Hi. Love you. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. I've been wanting a 1050 for a long time. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out, but hopefully it does. It's one of those saws I've been wanting for a long time. Probably won't use it much, but it's one of those, it's cool to have. As you see, it's a nice rainy day today, but we're smoking anyway. Got the whole neighborhood. Every time somebody walks out of the house or whatever, they come looking. It's funny. Everybody knows it whenever I'm smoking. But, yeah. Enjoy yourselves.